Hello, today we will guide you through how to write better prompts in Claude AI for accurate results. To begin, open your browser and go to the Claude AI login page. If you are starting from a search engine, look for the official Claude sign-in result and open it. Once you arrive at the sign-in page, log into your account and wait for the main workspace to load. When you are inside Claude, move to the side menu and click New Chat. Starting with a fresh chat is helpful because it gives you a clean space to write a focused prompt without earlier messages affecting the response. Now let's talk about how to actually write better prompts. The first idea is to be specific and detailed. Instead of giving a short or vague request, clearly describe what you need. The more precise you are, the easier it is for Claude to understand your intent and generate a useful answer. Next, tell Claude what you want to achieve, not just what to do. In other words, include the goal behind the task. This gives the AI more context and helps it shape the response around your end result rather than simply following a basic instruction. You should also define the format you want. For example, you may want a list, a paragraph, a table, a summary, or a step-by-step explanation. When you mention the structure in advance, the output is usually easier to use right away and needs less editing afterward. Another useful technique is to assign a role or persona. You can ask Claude to respond like a teacher, editor, marketer, analyst, or another professional perspective that fits your task. This often improves tone, depth, and relevance. It also helps to provide examples. If you have a sample of the style, tone, or type of answer you want, include it in your prompt. Examples reduce ambiguity and give Claude a clearer pattern to follow. As you continue, remember to iterate and refine. If the first answer is close, but not quite right, adjust your prompt and try again. Prompt writing is often a process of improvement, and small changes can make a big difference. For larger requests, break complex tasks into steps. This keeps the interaction organized and makes it easier for Claude to handle each part accurately without missing important details. Finally, set constraints and boundaries. You can define word count, tone, audience, limitations, or topics to avoid. These boundaries help keep the response focused and aligned with what you actually need. With these techniques, you can create stronger prompts and get more accurate results from Claude AI.